Daryl.
Hey, Earl.
How you doing? Welcome to Crime Collision Centers.
Thanks for joining the East Bay Chamber, new member.
Oh, I appreciate
Appreciate it.
Opportunity here.
Yeah.
So here we are, the nitty gritty. You got Lucy, our CSR, and Kristen, our office manager. This is our office waiting area for customers if they have to wait for something or rental, whatever it may be. And here would be our estimating gentleman. John's actually back. Josh is in New Hampshire at the moment, helping out with another new shop that we're opening. And then here's the nitty gritty of it all, which would be the body shop or the collision center. We got a wonderful culture here of people, process, and passion. We follow all OEM requirements as far as repairing vehicles. And I'm really excited to be a part of the chamber.
Thank you.